So I guess I'm gonna show how to remove your rear bumper from Subaru Impreza Hatchback. So all you need is some clip remover, a screwdriver, and that's everything. First I'm gonna remove those two clips. You go ahead, put some. Those broke easily. I have a lot of spares. It was sitting over, I don't know, few good years. So I'm gonna somehow remove those. It's all so rusty, I can't say plastic about, but really old and breaks easily. So I'm gonna remove it. Somehow it really stuck bait in there. So I'm gonna push it in there. So the next one, those are some screw underneath. I'm gonna remove those as well. You don't need any expensive tools to pull the car up. I'm just gonna use it because it's much easier, saves a lot of time. Push it all the way up. So I'm gonna remove this side as well. I can reuse those again if those doesn't break. So those tools this side, we have one more here. I'm gonna screw this and pull up. Let's go to the next side. So that was for now. Let's go underneath the car and see how many I have. So, let's take this one, push it in there and pull it up. One, second one, so it's stuck really bad in here because of all the dirt, sand and salt from winter. I'm gonna, in my case I used some zip ties in here. I'm gonna just cut it down and put the real clips in there. I don't remember it was me or the shop. One, two, so, and this one. These two screws usually, there's nothing else to disconnect or anything. anything else, but usually not. It should come right out. So you go ahead and push it. Hopefully I don't need to remove the rear lights. Okay, let's go and put some pressure in here. So you gotta go ahead and pull up and push back. It's coming out. It's stuck in here. Let's go the other side carefully. Pull up and push back. So it's kind of really hard. I'm being careful, I don't want to break anything, but everything is kinda stuck in there really bad. So just wiggle it kind of and it comes out. Actually nothing is holding the rear bumper, but it doesn't want to come out. So it's out finally. So that was everything for today. How to remove your rear bumper, and if you're going to remove put it in back, it's the same backwards. You play kind of and put it in back in. Thanks for watching.